In a previous video, I showed you how to create flowcharts using data from a spreadsheet. I briefly mentioned that it's possible to add files, notes, and links to your flowchart processes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. To start, I'll recreate the flowchart from the last video. This will be quick, as I won't need to draw it manually. There are two ways to add a hyperlink to a box. The simplest way is to click on the box to open the process window, then type or paste the link. The second way is to enter the link directly into the corresponding column in the spreadsheet. When a box has a hyperlink, you'll see a blue indicator at the top. Anyone with access to the flowchart can open the link by clicking on the hyperlink button in the process window. You can also add notes to your boxes through two approaches, just like with hyperlinks. You can add a note by clicking on the box or by entering it in the spreadsheet. Notice a different indicator next to the hyperlinks. Anyone you've shared the flowchart with will be able to see the notes. For attachments, you can only add them with the Attach File button in the process window. You can upload common file types like PNG, PDFs, XLS files, and many more. There is now a third indicator to highlight that the box contains an attachment. Anyone with access to the flowchart can download the attached files. Adding hyperlinks, notes, and attachments to flowcharts is an excellent way to enhance flowcharts that might otherwise lack information or be ambiguous. These elements allow you to link to forms or specific web pages, provide detailed explanations of processes, or attach files relevant to a particular step, something that isn't possible in typical flowcharts.